Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another Target beauty box unboxing, but this one is a little more special because this can be going to you. This is going to be my first of many giveaways, and I'm so excited to do this today. So what's going to happen is I'm going to open the box. I'm not going to use the products on myself, but I am going to talk about them, show you what's in the box, show you what you could have gotten in this month's box, and I'm going to package it back up and send it to someone very lucky. I will talk about the giveaway during the middle of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I'm going to tell you how much each product is worth, just so you know how amazing this box is about to be. So here we go. As always, the first thing I want to say is I love the packaging. This one is super cute. But anyway, I know a little bit about this box. It showed a preview when I was ordering it, and this is all about nails. As you can see, I don't do my nails, so this box wasn't for me, but I love these boxes, so I thought this would be a perfect idea to give a giveaway because these boxes sell out super fast. So what I recommend for anyone that's interested in these boxes is to sign up for the emails so that they will let you know, hey, we're about to have a box, and go ahead and get one ordered. Okay, as always, we are going to have a $3 off coupon for beauty products over $15, so we are going to keep that. Okay, so I'm going to open it up for you guys, get a closer look, and then we're going to talk about it. If you've watched these videos before, you know I always talk about the tissue paper. So this one is like a pale pink, super cute. All right, so it looks like we've got a ton of stuff. So let's look at this Sally Henson. This is Vitamin Strength Serum for your nails, 13.3 milliliters. So yeah, that looks pretty great. Looks like we got some sparkles in there too, so that's super cute. All right, this looks like a nail file from Tweezerman, and then that is super cute. Very cute. Nice. Okay, so we've got some shea butter, hand cream, coconut from EOS. This is a good brand. Let's see if it says anything about animals. I don't see anything about animals, but as always, I will let you know if this is vegan and cruelty-free. So it looks like we have a top coat from Essie Gel Setter. Cool. This looks like some high quality stuff, and then this is like engraved. I don't know if you can see that, but it is engraved. Okay, we've got some soy polish remover wipes, Ella and Mila. This is cruelty free and vegan, so that's very nice. And it is also made in the USA, so we know we love that. Oh, super cute. Ollie Undeniable Beauty Hair and Skin and Nails Vitamins. Let's see, there's 2 gummies in here. Gluten-free, no artificial flavors or colors. Cool. Very nice. Okay. Let's see. We've got some Ultra Shine gel strips, so 6 strips. Don't know why there's only 6. Maybe they're like, you have to go get the other one. But these are the colors that it comes in, and those are super cute. Also says it lasts up to 14 days. Okay, then we've got this Defi Inspire very pink nail polish. Very small, but would at least last for a whole set of nails. And it looks like the last thing we have is some instructions, nail tips and tricks, so we can go over that in a little bit. So let's talk about it. All right, so like I said, we've got some pretty good stuff in here, and I'm going to tell you about these nail tips and tricks. And it looks like on the very back, it also has a $2 off coupon for Essie nail care items. This is Essie brand, so anyway, tip number 1, best way to prolong a manicure: reapply your favorite Essie top coat every day or every other day. Did not know that, like I said, don't do my nails very often. Whoever wins this can read this. Okay, so we have this Defi inspired, very pink nail polish. Like I said, I'm not going to use these products, but I will open just so you can see. It is very, very pink. Super cute. This is gel setter, so this is like for gel nails, so that is pretty cool. Keep from heat or flame, so you will catch on fire if you do that. So that is that, and that is the SA brand. Ooh, there we go. That you can get the $2 off coupon on the back of the nails tips and tricks. I know this is pretty cool. Very, very cool. 2 gummies in here. I've heard a lot about this. Keep out of the reach of children. Store in a cool and dry place. And it says it expires 8/21. So whoever wins this, you gotta eat them fast. Okay, we've got Vitamin Strength Serum. It is vitamin A, C, and E for stronger looking nails. Strengthens nails and cuticles. After 1 week, nails look noticeably stronger and reinforced. It has like these cute little dots in it, so that's pretty nice. Love this EOS cream. I'm just smelling it. Like I said, I'm not going to use it because this is a giveaway. And it smells very, very good. And this is going to last a long time. I recently got one of the Love Beauty and Planet hand creams, and it's about this size, and it is still lasting me. If you just use a little bit goes a long way with something like this. And like I said, you probably already read it, but I'm going to let you know if it is vegan or cruelty free. Hopefully both. Some soy polish remover wipes. I will check and see what some reviews are on a lot of these products. This is just a nail file, but like I said, it is pretty cool because it's got those sparkles on the back. It is not on the front, but it is on the back. I think these are pretty cool. So this is a sample, try it today. So basically like you have to go get the other ones. Like I said earlier, 6 strips, nail file enclosed. There is a nail file in here as well. And then on the back, it does tell you how to apply this. Salon gel effects with no UV dry time. So that's pretty nice. Okay, so I think that is it. So to the giveaway. To enter this giveaway, it is very, very simple. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. There is a red subscribe button right below this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below why you want to win this box. I think this box is great. Like I said, this box is only $7, but it's worth so much more. And then I guess another thing to say is that I am posting more consistently, so I am posting every Monday and Friday. This is something that I'm going to be stating in most of my videos, hopefully here on out if I remember, just to show you that I am being consistent. I enjoy having you comment on my videos. I try to comment back to every single person. We are trying to make this channel grow. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.